students and parents. This is Mr. Harrison from Lakeshore Middle School, the 7th grade language arts teacher. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the materials that you will need for my class this year. Being a language arts class, of course, writing utensils are first and foremost. In my class, you are expected to use a black or a blue pen on writing topics or a pencil. Now I suggest a mechanical pencil because that keeps you in your seat and it keeps the class quiet when you don't have to sharpen it. Second thing you will need, and this item will not leave my classroom all year long, but this is just a normal composition notebook. So I'd like you to use the composition notebooks primarily because it's not easy to rip paper out of here, so we tend not to do it even when we're desperate for paper. So these will stay in the classroom all year long. So if another class requires that you use these, I ask that in this case that you also have one for my class and that you don't plan on sharing this with other classes. Next up, we have a folder. This folder will stay in my classroom, and there's a couple things I'd like to point out about the folder. First of all, the material. Okay, this is plastic, not paper, so it should last all year long despite the abuse that we're going to put it through. Also on the inside, you'll notice a couple things here. First of all, rabbit ears. That way the papers that we hope to keep permanently without falling out at any given time can be kept in the middle where they're easily accessible to. Also, one last feature here, pockets. Pockets on both sides. Okay. Pockets are a good thing. They help us keep organized. Again, this folder will be staying in my classroom all year long, so please don't plan on sharing this folder with other classes. What you can use and share with other classes, on the other hand, is the final item. This is a binder. So with this binder, I ask that you do a 1.5 to 2 inch binder here. No need to go crazy and get the 4-inch binder that eats up locker space. But a 1.5 to 2 inch binder here should work for my class for the year. You're more than welcome to use this binder for other classes if they also require binders, in which case you'll probably want to get a bigger end here or a different binder altogether. A couple things about this binder, a couple features here. The more pockets the better. This one happens to have 2 individual pockets on both sides. Okay. And also the 3 rings in the middle where we can add our paper, which is also loose leaf notebook paper is also required for my class, but of course this is required in just about every class you're going to have, so feel free, you don't have to bring in your own packet just for me. You can spread that around to your other classes as well.